Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to join tables in Query and Microsoft Access. This is an essential skill when working with databases, as it allows you to combine data from multiple tables based on common fields, making your queries much more powerful and comprehensive. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, we can begin the process of joining tables in a query. First, click on the Create tab on the top part of your screen. This is where all your query creation tools are located. From here, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This will open up the Query Design window where we'll be working. Now to start joining tables in Query, the process is pretty straightforward. Look at the right side panel of your screen where your tables are located. You'll see a list of all available tables in your database. Open the tables that you wish to join by selecting them from this panel. They'll appear as separate boxes in the top section of the Query Design window. From here, simply look for the identical fields that these tables have in common. These are usually fields like ID numbers, customer names, or any other data that exists in both tables. Once you've identified the matching fields, click and drag from the field in one table to the corresponding field in the other table. You'll see a link line appear between these tables that displays that these two tables are now joined through the identical field. This connection tells Access how to combine the data from both tables when you run your query. The beauty of this visual approach is that you can immediately see which tables are connected and through which fields. If you need to join multiple tables, you can repeat this process for each additional table, creating as many connections as necessary for your specific query needs. And that's it. You've successfully joined tables in Query in Microsoft Access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.